Hello everyone. Thank you so much for viewing today and welcome to my channel. I am Ajaya. Please like, subscribe, and share with as many people as you can. Thank you if you already have. If you have not, please consider and thank you in advance. All right. Today, I'm going to be discussing some stocks that you could buy to help grow your wealth during this recession. So I'm going to try to pick some of the better, lower stocks as I can so that you can have more room to grow. These stocks are going to be down 30, 40, even some of them. Well, I'm only gonna do one per video, so the videos won't be too long, but up to 50%. And this stock I'm gonna go over today is Google, and it is, I think, down to close to 50%. I think 30% over the year, so it may be less than 50. So I'm gonna go on to the website and I will let you know where it's at. And I choose this website because it's very easy to read and understand. So this is on Google search, and then I type in Google stocks, and it come up Alphabet Inc. Class A, and this is, at this time, the stock is $97.46. At this time, this stock is $48 lower than it was a year ago. However, over the 5-year period, this stock is up, and always try to, it is up 90%. So, all of the stocks is, suffering now. So the best time to buy is when it is, have gone lower, because if you buy while it's higher at its peak, then you really don't have a lot of room for growth. So now is the best time, and probably in the next year you can buy it to build your wealth. So you will have at least I think it's a 30% increase. Now, always do your own due diligence, not the financial advisor. I'm just letting you know how I myself would or have done to build my wealth. And I want everybody to be financially free, not always stressed out from paycheck to paycheck. So it's $100. So if you can afford, try to buy at least one. But also, try to buy maybe 5, and you'll have, room to grow. And this is a long-term strategy, so you don't have to worry a lot, about, the ups and downs over the next 3 to 4 to 5 years. It's long-term strategy for you to build your wealth during your career. This should be, not saying if this grow and make you some money, you can take some of it out if you need it, but continue to try to build your wealth. Maybe over time, over the next year, while it is down, Maybe you could try to buy 10 of these stocks, but definitely start now and try to get one, and maybe you could get one per month, and it has at least a 30% potential, and maybe even more than that. But, the past performance is not indicative of what it would be in the future, and so no one really know. We can only give you suggestions of what could be, and you have to do something, because your money is not going to grow from a bank account for as much as you need. So you have to take some risks. And so these are calculated risks. And with these risks, you will, be able, and you're not investing a lot, don't never invest, make one thing all your investment. If you only have $1,000 to invest in the stock market, spread it over a few stocks. You don't have to get all Google. But if you have $1,000 to put in one stock, then you can put $1,000 in the next one, and so forth and so on, and that's okay. Also, you do not have to. You can buy like one at a time, and go on and find out these videos for beginners, for small investors who don't need to have to pay a broker for anything, and invest that way. Buy one stock. Now, I think you could do something like that, because I know they will always be offering me to buy stocks through the Cash App. But I'm not exactly sure. But you can look into that, and if you want to purchase stock. And so that's why I have to say I think it's a good deal. I think, it have a lot of potential for the future, but also you need to understand that you have to be patient. You pick good companies, and, be patient, because they're going to go up and down. That's the nature of the market. So thanks again so much. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and take care.